Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on this hairstyle right here. It is super easy. You can get this going like that. It is super nice and sleek. You could do this for like a date night, which this look was totally for, or you could do it for like a wedding or event that you're going to and you have no idea how you want to do your hair, but you know that you want it to be off your shoulder. Before we get into the video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you thumbs up this video if you do like it, and hit that notification button so you don't miss out any of my videos that I post in the future. So yeah, now let's get started in this hair tutorial. So this is a pretty easy tutorial. My hair is like so crazy right now, but I wanted to show you guys this anyway. Start with my hair kind of like needing to be washed at the end of its time, and I just make sure that I have a scrunchie, and then I go in with my Equal Style Professional styling gel, just some gel. And I switched to this one because I was using another one, but I noticed that it was giving me like little white flecks, so I was like, that's a no-no. My hair all the way up into like a high pony, right in the center of my head, well, in the center of my head on the top, and make sure that it's really secure, and that's pretty easy. So we're just gonna do that right now. So I just take a little bit of the gel on my hand and just kind of put it all around my head, and then I just start brushing my hair up. And just making sure it's really nice and flat and sleek, because I hate when it's like bumps and all that. Sometimes my curls come out, so I just have to put like a little extra gel. There's a fly in here, and that little bitch been bothering me this whole freaking time I've been filming. Like this whole time, like bitch. So now I'm just gonna secure that into place. And then I'm gonna use 2 scrunchies because I want it to be really tight. Not so tight where I'm like dying, but tight enough that my hair doesn't come unloose, because since my hair is a little bit on the straighter side, it is a little bit finer, so it's gonna be a little loose at the top. Then I'm gonna take the rest of my hair, twist it really tight, and then kind of make the smallest little bun I possibly can. And then I'm gonna secure that with a bobby pin. So now that my hair is like that, I'm gonna take some synthetic hair, and I actually got a pack that was like a mixed color, and I got this from the hair supply store. Middle of the hair, so the hair is like all the way long like this. I put a scrunchie right into the middle of the hair. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this, I kind of twist it, and then I place this on top of my bun, like a little ponytail. The hair is gonna be on this side of your head. You wanna flip it so it's covering the top of the bun. So I just flip it, but still kind of making it nice and neat, and making sure that it's covering the whole bun. So just like that. If you want, you can like leave it like this, you know, whatever. You can take it and then kind of swoop it around and then just make it into a high bun, but we're not doing that. I'm gonna braid it, and then I'm gonna secure it with a elastic. So just making sure it's kind of like well knotted out, because synthetic hair can be a little bit tricky. 3 parts, and just make a little braid. Now that your braid is kind of like this and stiff, you're gonna take your braid and you're gonna wrap it the direction that your hair is. So I'm not gonna go like this way because then it's gonna make a weird kind of lump. So wherever the hair is kind of pointing to, where it's like stiff, you're gonna just start wrapping it around the actual bun itself, nice and tight. There's a little bit extra here that I needed just to take off. And then I'm gonna secure that with another bobby pin. Now I'm just gonna lay down my edges with the same gel. So I like to put it on my edges first. Not so much, but like enough to lay it down. And then I take my brush and lay my edges. Just like that. So this is the finished look. It is super nice. I like that it's very sleek and that you can just do this real quick and get about your way. It's a little different than just having a little high bun and it being really small. So I really like how this came out. And I don't know why, I just love embracing like my baby hairs. I have a lot of little like stragglers in the front, so I used to never lay them down, and now that I discovered that you can lay down your edges, I'm like, damn. How to lay down everything that I use on my hair down in the description box if I can find it, or even some affordable like places online to buy synthetic hair. See you guys in my next video.